Okay, this is the part 2. Okay, this one filter I'm discussing. Again, I am filter function how to create using callback. I am again doing it. Let I is equal to 0 for counter, or C I'm writing. Watch carefully. It will goes on and goes on until C less than array dot length. Okay, C plus plus. Okay, if callback satisfies, if this function, whatever inside this function I will give, the condition satisfies, then only it will wait a minute. Let's creating the callback function. This is if the so in callback function we are going to give whatever in filter we used to give an argument. In filter, what same way, element means array 1, array 2, array 3, then index, then the entire array. The same argument will, the same as an argument here given, we will pass the parameter. First parameter is array I, then its index, then the entire array. That way, if it satisfies, then we need a empty array result. It will be pushed. It will modify and filters and returns a new set of array. Result dot push array I, then we will return the array, return array. So console.log watch. So let's, in that same array, this unchanged array, we will do it. Okay, so first time, what is it? Console.log array, no problem, this is the array. So directly I'm console.log, what is the name of my own custom filter, my own filter array, as in first argument the array. What experiment we want to do? Wait a minute. Okay, now this is what we have created, return array. So what element, what is the name here I have to give? Element means this. Using this only we can work, comma this, or we don't need to give anything also, still it will work. Return element %2 equals to 0, means even number will be passed. Even number within this set of element, even number will be passed. Let's check. Array I is not defined. Wait a minute. Array I, oh, this should be C. Here I have represented it as C. Counter is C. I'm so sorry. My mistake. Wait a minute. I'm not getting the, wait, still. Oh, this should be the result. Wait a minute. This should be the result. LT result. Watch. Let's check. Okay. Again I have watch. This I am getting. It's using my own filter. Here is the mistake. Here it is there. this, but actually it should be this result. I hope it's clear. I have created my own filter method. Now I am going to create my own reduce method. So what is in reduce method? Same way, but it's always have an accumulation whose initial value is set as 0. Accumulation. Here also we need an accumulation. So always what we used to do as a set parameter, suppose here also I'm seeing console.log my own reduce. What things we need to know? First, obviously, this array I am creating 1 2 3 4, suppose up to 4, or let's 5, comma, what thing? First need first in the function what we need, comma 0. Let's summation I am doing. This comma is an initial value, so initial value equals to 0 I have given. So what first is accumulation, then element, then index, then comes our array, right, in reduce. So let's check. Accumulation is set as equals to 0 here. Now in what reduce function tells for summation, plus c equals to element, goes on and goes on, return accumulation. So this instance we have to create. This is also an argument, so where parameter will be initial value or val, creating an accumulation. Let accumulator, this is the name of the variable, is equal to taking the first initial value. So now same funda, let I is equal to 0 using while loop or for loop also you can take I. Okay, now let's do it in for loop. For I is equal to 0, I array dot length, your choice for. So here first echo is initial value this. Now we are setting accumulator. Accumulator is equal to initial callback what previous accumulator, goes on and goes on and goes on, then array I, element, index, comma, entire array. This way it will go on and goes on and reduce. Return accumulator. Let's check whether summation is going on correctly or not. Wait a minute, return ACC. Wait a minute. Okay, let's see what we have given. Everything clear, still it is giving. Oh, here it is. We have given the name accumulation. Now it will work. It should. First clear it out. Watch. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. Okay, this is working. Congrats, we have created our own reduce function. So what is basically happening? No need this. Accumulate here, initial value 0. This is set as accumulator. Okay, from there only it will goes on and goes on. In callback we have called that accumulator 0, element, index and array equals to this accumulator, whatever the callback function is doing. What at that time callback function done, callback function first 1 plus 0